Hey friends, a lot of users are reporting that Windows Defender won't start in Windows 11. See, here's the thing. The new app is Windows Security. Try starting it. If it works well and good, if not, here's what happens. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings, go to the apps tab, select installed apps, sorted by date installed. Check for any recently installed third party antivirus software, and if you have that, then just simply uninstall it because it is not required nowadays, and then restart your computer and then check if it helps. If it doesn't, then go to Windows Update and make sure to install each and every single update and check this box here to get the latest updates when they're possible. Why? Because if security updates are not installed, then Windows security may not be able to launch itself, and if that doesn't help, then the last option is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.